si Cafe Andiam dito. Hi guys, we're back on the road again. Lakad na naman tayo guys dito sa Queen Street and Flinders Street Lane. So ito yung Queen Street guys. Mainit na naman. Ang ganda lang ng mga puno ngayon kasi autumn weather. Autumn is until May. Magwi-winter na naman.
Paling mahuhulog pa yung mga tao na yan.
This is Collins Street, guys. A lot of trees. Tatawid tayo. Let's go. The Melbourne Safe Deposit. Yan guys, oh, yung building na yan. That's the building, the Melbourne Safe Deposit. Ano i-deposit mo dyan? Money? Maybe money. Oh, guys, makakasalubong natin yung naglilinis ng side street here. It's a very cute. Let's cross the street. Little Collins Street.
Irish pub.
Merong authentic Malaysian cuisine.
Irish pub.
Oh, you see that? Irish Times. The Irish Times. Across the street. Ang cute lang dito, tahimik. Tahimik on a Sunday walk. So look, that's the cute alley there. Oh, we're now at Hector's.
Tawag ka dyan.
This is Hector's. Hector's Deli. Okay, let's have a look inside. I just ordered. Guys, let's walk here. Lakad lang tayo, ha? It's a Sunday afternoon. Nice weather. Not so crowded. So, ang daming kapihan dito sa Melbourne, guys. Anytime you can have your coffee here. If you want coffee.
Ano tayo nakalakad dito? Dito may mga building, iba.
Yeah.
Ito, Collins Street.
Yeah, this is Collins Street.
Sabi nilang the most beautiful street in Australia.
Is it?
Ang sasabi nila.
Yeah, it's beautiful. The buildings, the structure of the buildings are beautiful.
Elizabeth Street.
So, papasok na tayo sa Elizabeth Street. Yan na. Nagiging crowded na dito sa area na to. Oh, look at the leaves. Dami. So, this here, we are now in Elizabeth Street. Okay, let's walk. So guys, nandito na yung mga maliliit na shops dito. Ang dami rin. Naka-sale pa rin sila. Oh. Bar yun. Yan, may drop out chaiwala. Meron ding bread top dito. So, let's go to Flinders Lane. Kawid tayo. Let's go. So, ang cute lang yung mga lane dito sa Melbourne. Ang daming kapihan dito, guys. Hello, can you see that? It's beautiful lane. Flinders Lane. Yan, daming mga shops dito. So, ang Australia guys, mahilig sila sa mga alfresco dining cafe. Yan, daming coffee shop. Ayan, ang dami nila oh. Can we walk down and then come back? Ayan, tingnan natin yung area, the Grave Street. So, buhay itong area na to guys, oh. It's all cafe here. Cafe Andiam. Parang popular to si Cafe Andiam dito. Oh. Pero Cafe Andiam, popular siya. Ayan din si Piccolina Gelateria. Oh, puro gelato. That's one guys. All gelato. So many people guys in this area. Nice weather today. Gelateria, another gelateria, popular also. So that's Flinders Station. Let's end our vlog here guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.